It was a bright, beautiful morning when Frog ran up the steps to Toad's house. Toad! Toad! Ah, Toad, where are you? Whoa. Toad, it's springtime. Boys and girls, do you see Toad? Whoa. There you are. Leave me alone. Oh, but Toad, it's spring. The snow has melted and the sun is shining. Let's go out and play. No, I don't want to. I want to stay in bed. Okay, Toad, here's an idea. Let's take this stick and we'll play a game of tug of war. Whoever wins gets to decide what we're gonna do today. Grab it. Okay. All right, here we go. Ha-ha! I won. That means we have to go outside to play. Okay. And outside they went. Oh, Toad, look at how beautiful it is. We can skip through the meadows, run through the woods. We can go and swim in the river. And then at night, we can look up under the stars. My eyes hurt. I think it's too bright for me. Oh, Toad, we want to spend the time outside in spring while the weather is nice. Oh, no, I don't want to. I'm going back to bed. Toad. Yes, back to bed. But Toad. Bed, I said. There, that's better. Oh, Toad. Oh, how long are you going to sleep for? Well, how long have I been sleeping already? Well, I think you've been sleeping since November. Well, wake me up when it's April. April? But Toad... But Toad had already fallen asleep. And so Frog walked over to the calendar and he tore off November and he tore off December and he tore off January and he tore off February, and it was March. March! It's only March! But, well. And he tore off March. Yeah. Toad, it's April. All ready? Yes. Take a look. Indeed it is. It's April. That means it's time to go out and play. I guess you're right. And out they went to enjoy the beautiful day. The end.